Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World 9 back with another video. Now I had to start my video off this way, man. I am only, I believe, I don't know, 280, 275. I don't know what it is at this point right now, but I want to give a special shout out to International King. He sent me he commented on the last video letting me know that he was my 700 subscriber here on YouTube. Man, y'all don't understand how much that means to me, man. To be only 300 or less subscribers away from 1,000 subscribers in less than a year, or however many few months it has been since I've been here on the platform. I'm very thankful for everybody that continues to come back and watch my content. And with all that being said, man, I'm thankful for all 700, but I'm especially thankful for him leaving a comment letting me know he was number 700. So if you're new to the channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe. Hit that notification bell letting you know that I'm uploading content at all times. I'm trying to be more consistent. And with all that being said, I'm extremely thankful. We're going to the Nike outlet here in Columbus, Ohio. Josiah's 9th birthday is coming up soon. So if all y'all want to, down in the comments below, wish him a happy birthday for me, that would be greatly appreciated. But we're going to go see what they got for him. Not necessarily going for me, but we're going to see what they got. Check out a couple stores and see what they got. If they can put a little birthday outfit together, cool. If not, we'll just pick up what they got out there. Roll with your boy. Alright, let's see what we got. These pennies just came out. They about to be at the outlet already. Got the Camo 5. Look like Josiah found some down there. You found something, Fat? Woo! These look fire and smart. You gonna try them on?
Exactly. Define.
Woo! Stand up, son. Let the world see these Johns. Turn to the side.
Let me find the one.
Ooh! Yeah. Those gotta come home. With an additional 20% off. Alright, y'all, so since we done came out of the kids section, Josiah done got his birthday sneakers. I think that's what he wants to wear for his birthday. We're gonna look through these racks, and this look like it's gonna be quick in the adult section. I don't see anything yet, at least not in this aisle. Don't do it. Look at these, they all suede. I don't like them, but you know, they different. They different. Got the Odells all the way down to 60 bucks. Excuse me. Oh, she's shopping. Y'all see anything? Y'all see anything? I don't see nothing yet. I don't see nothing yet. Might have to hit this hash wall like Josiah. Got your low top duck boots. It's about to be duck boot season. Here in Ohio, it'll be snowing soon. Might snow tomorrow the way this weather is going. It's a good pickup, man, for the winter. Anybody that still want to wear sneakers in the winter, catch them while they on sale before they go back up. Look like the KDs about to hit the let next. Let's get in the LeBron and Jordan section. See if there's anything over here. Got your soldiers. Josiah in the way. About to run him over. Beast mode. Got some PGs. Haven't seen anything crazy yet. Y'all see anything yet? These joints here, not a fan. These ain't bad, but they should be like $79. They should be this price. Hey, got the Toro 18s. Get the full retail $225. I think this is the last pair though. I think they got a size 14 and no other sizes in both of these joints. I think they were a return. All right, y'all, let's go to the hash wall. I ain't seeing anything on the racks. All right, y'all, we back here on the hash wall. Let's see if we can find any little hidden gems or anything, something to pull off the wall. Got these maroon and gum bottoms. I like those in my, oh, that's not my size. That's a 10. What else we got? Got these. 69. I need to slide down. I'm in the half size too small section. They got them in my size down here, but I don't know if I want those. What else we got? What else we got? I'm not seeing anything. No retros, no retros. Nothing is jumping out at me. This is usually how it is outlet shopping in Ohio. It's very, very hit or miss. Mostly misses. Alright, so we left the Nike store. Now we're about to finish this trip up and we're gonna go into Ralph Lauren Polo. See if we can finish off an outfit for him. And we're gonna get out of here and go home. Alright, y'all, we done made it back to the house. I apologize if the video went straight from being in Polo to being back here at the house for the review. But my battery was dying. I didn't really have time to do a whole bunch of extra recording, so I figured I'd wait till I got back here to show you guys what we got. You probably got an idea what's in this bag. So I'm gonna start off with this and save the Ralph Lauren for last. Now, as y'all seen in the video, my baby got good taste like his parents. So he found these Vapor Max on the hash wall. They were on the hash wall for $80, but they also had the additional 70% off. I mean 20% off. I wish it was 70. 20% off on these joints right here. And I think these will be the official sneakers for his 9th birthday coming up. These are dope. I don't have to go into too many detail. These been out for a long time. Y'all know what these is already. So I just wanted to show y'all that we did bring these out of the store. They came home with us. After all of the sales and the discounts, it came out to $68.77. Can't beat that. Now, for this bag, we got some dope stuff out here. I don't know if it's necessarily gonna go with these sneakers, but we had to pull them out of the store. First of all, we got, and this stuff was on sale. You got the Polo button up. It's like a flannel type design. Now on the tag it says that it's on sale for $22.99, but I promise you we did not pay that price. I think this was like 50% off. You know, Polo at the outlet. If you don't know, go to your Polo outlet. They always run like 40-50% off. Now this one I like a lot. You got your blue Polo, your red, white, and blue. You got your 2 flags on the front and the big horse. You got your big eagle on the back with your stars. This is dope. Known for quality, NYC. This is dope. So this one on the tag, where's the tag at? This one says $16.99. Now, when I tell you we paid $22 for both of these shirts out of the door. $22 out the door for both items. So I think we won. I think we won today. Under $100, got 3 pieces, including some sneakers. So Josiah's winning. I didn't get anything. I didn't see anything in there for me, but it is what it is, man. It's all about your kids. So I'm not gonna hold y'all too much longer. I appreciate y'all. If y'all made it to the end of the video, please like, comment, subscribe, all of that beautiful stuff, man. I appreciate y'all. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers here on YouTube, man. I love y'all, but I'm gonna say it this way. Y'all know how I do it. OVE!